Identifying and repairing ADAS systems is simple with adasThink, a new platform that uses OEM build data and our library of manufacturer repair procedures to automatically identify ADAS systems and required calibrations. So, let's get started. Watch how adasThink works on this 2019 Hyundai Elantra with very minor rear end damage. We've written a short estimate in ADA text to replace the trunk lid and repair the bumper. adasThink also works with CCC and Mitchell. All we need to do is log into adasThink, click on New Report, and select our estimate to add to the adasThink portal. Right away, adasThink pulls the year, make, model, and trim of the vehicle, identifies the ADAS features that are equipped from Hyundai's build data, and catches a calibration we would have missed otherwise. adasThink highlights the ADAS features the sensor is responsible for, and identifies the operations on the estimate that triggered the calibration. In this case, our repair of the rear bumper. If your shop has access to all data, you can also click the link to access the repair procedures for the sensor. Here, we can see that Hyundai requires a blind spot radar alignment for vehicles involved in a rear-end collision. We can also see what we need to do to perform the radar alignment, or if it's something that will need to be sublet to a dealership or other third-party vendor. When we're done, we can download a PDF report to save in our file, and we can access all our past reports with the click of a button. With adasThink, it's that simple.